Hey guys, welcome to this video, a really short one, but an important one I think, and I wanted to highlight this in order to make your life a little bit easier. So there have been a few users that wanting to have an uninstall template button when wanting to test a template and maybe it's not for you, then be able to uninstall it. Currently there is no one button that you can press to uninstall all flows, custom fields and tags, but there is a feature inside of your flows that makes it a little bit easier for you to manage your installed templates. So I am in my own chatbot and inside the flow overview. So you can go towards flows on the left hand side, and then from here you will be able to see all of your folders, all of your flows and stuff like that. The thing is, you can basically filter by installed template flows. And with that I mean that you can now just press the drop down, and from here you will have an option, the very last option, installed from templates. So if I press this, I will only see the flows that I have installed from the template section, right? So if I wanted to uninstall a template, I can just select all of those flows at the same time, as you can see here, do a bulk action and say delete. So this way you can at least delete all of the basically the installation flows, right, of that specific template. Another option is if I just back out here and let's go back towards the main overview. You can also filter by auto update flow. So auto update flows means there's also a template, but it also has an auto update feature, right? Some users wanted to also basically disable the auto update on specific flows. So some flows they want to basically get automatic updates from, and other flows that they already customized, they want to turn it off. You can also filter based on these auto update flows. So if you say auto update flows, I don't have any inside of my own chatbot currently. But if you have any, then they will show up in this overview. You can just select them and then do the bulk actions as well, right? So these two filter options allow you to quickly uninstall templates, at least template flows. So the custom fields and the tags will still remain, but at least you can uninstall the flows much more quickly instead of needing to go and search through your entire flow overview. You might have moved certain flows to different folders, and in this way you can at least filter by installed from templates and then have them all inside of one overview to do bulk editing on them. So I hope this video helped you in managing your template flows a little bit better, and if you have any questions, do let us know. For now, have a great day, take care and talk soon.